Hey guys, it's John here, back with another video. In this video, I'll be revealing to you why you're actually losing leads right now as I speak. You're a service-based business. You could be a solar company, a plumber, real estate agent, or a marketing or SEO agency. You're getting a lot of leads, but most are leaking and you're not even getting a chance to speak with them. So I'll show you where this leakage is happening, how much money you're losing because of it, and most importantly, how to fix the leakage and turn the leads into VIP clients with AI. I'll also show you results businesses got by leveraging AI. I'll illustrate it to you on my iPad so it's crystal clear. It's a new video format I'm trying with my iPad. I thought this would be a good change of format since this is more engaging and visual than reading a slideshow. And don't worry, a whiteboard is coming soon. So without further ado, please subscribe and let's get right into it. So what's something that every business do and must be doing in order to exist? Sales. Businesses need sales to get revenue, and without revenue, they're not going to exist. Simple as that. So how does the sales process work? Well, as you know, it first starts with lead generation. And how do you do lead generation? Well, there's several different methods. There's referrals, there's ads on social media, there is like cold outreach, especially the case if you are doing B2B or if you're an agency looking for clients. And yeah, I'll just stick with these three for now. And once you generate the leads, what you want to do is appointment setting. So So now in appointment setting, this is where you convert the leads into booked appointments or sales calls for you to convert the leads into paying clients. And in this case, you usually follow up with the leads yourself or you have your sales team doing it. And once you get them on an appointment, you have to convert them. So this is the sales part. And this is something done the same way, so yourself or the sales team. And once you have converted the leads into paying clients, this is where you do the fulfillment, service delivery. So basically, this is where you do what you signed up to do business for. If you're a plumber, you would go plumbing. If you're a roofer, you would go roofing, etc. And this is something that you do yourself. And once you do the fulfillment, what you want to do is the final part of the sales process, which is retention. And so this entire process is called the sales process. So this is basically the process of generating leads, converting them into paid clients, doing the fulfillment, and maximizing retention. So keeping them on as long as possible to maximize your revenue and the LTV of each one of your clients and to create a loyal relationship. But somewhere in the sales process, there is a flaw. And because of that flaw, you are leaking leads and you are losing revenue. And I'm about to show you what that leakage is. So first, I'll go over this, okay? So this is a thing called speed to lead. Speed to lead basically means that when you get a lead that expresses interest in you and your business, you have to reach out to them as soon as possible. So speed to lead is key. So I'll show you some statistics here. So 78% of customers buy from the first company that responds to them, according to a study by Lead Connect. Meaning that if you don't respond to your lead first, well, they're not going to wait around for you. They're going to go with whichever company that responds to them first, because it shows proactivity. And another statistic here is that companies that contact leads within an hour are nearly 7 times more likely to qualify for that lead than those that wait more than an hour. So this again highlights the importance of speed to lead. And even better, if you contact them within 5 minutes, you're more likely to convert them by 100 times than if you wait 30 minutes to respond to them. This means that ideally you should reach out to your lead as soon as they express interest, but I understand that this is not realistically feasible for most companies. This is because you or your sales team, you guys could be busy, or it could be your off days, or you could be in an important meeting, and I understand that you can't simply just stop what you're doing just to pick up the phone. You could be in an important meeting, or you could be up there on the roof, fixing a roof, things like that. So I understand that realistically this is not feasible, but these are the statistics. And the better that you work with these statistics, the better that you'll perform. That's the reality. And another thing that I have to point out to you is that on average, it takes B2B sales teams an average of 42 hours to respond to a new lead, and 38% of those leads never reply back. So simply by not responding to your leads or being too late to respond to them, you're just losing out on so much revenue. You're leaving so much money on the table. And think about how much extra revenue that you could make by simply just answering calls a bit quicker. And here it shows that it typically takes 4.3 days of back and forth communication before the first meeting even happens. So even if you do respond in time, well, you spend a lot of time going back and forth just to get to the first meeting. And the thing is, customers do not want to wait for a company to reach out to them, and certainly customers do not want to wait for the fulfillment to be complete. So once again, this emphasizes the speed to lead and the importance of reaching back to your leads as soon as possible. And yes, it is possible to reduce both of these figures. It's possible to reduce both the amount of time it takes to respond to a new lead, and it is possible to reduce the amount of time spent on back and forth communication. This can all be optimized, which I will show you in just a second, but first I'll go over a quick example. So these statistics here, they show the percentage of unanswered calls, the percentage of phone leads, and the percentage of phone conversions for different industries. So I won't go over all of these, but here is a source here in case you think I'm making these up. So I'll just go over one quick example here. So banks and lenders. On average, 49% of calls go unanswered, 51% of them are phone leads, and 20% of those phone leads would have converted. Let's say a banker gets 100 calls a week. This is just an example, so let's just put these as 50% just for convenience. And so they'll miss 50 calls. And of those 50 calls, 25 of them would have been leads, and 20% of these 25 leads would have converted. So that means that they would be losing 5 clients by simply not answering calls. So this basically shows that by simply answering every single call that they get, they would be able to get 5 more clients, and just think of the revenue that they would make by getting these 5 extra clients. And let's just take a very conservative estimate. Let's say the average lending amount is $50,000. With the 5 extra clients that they get per week, that means they would have got 250K in extra revenue. So yes, this is the effect that you can expect if you address this problem. If you address the problem of missed calls and losing leads. And these leads are leaking in your pipeline because of your leaky sales pipeline and therefore a leaky sales system. And now going back to the sales process, where is this leakage happening? It's mainly happening around this area, lead generation and appointment setting. So most businesses, they don't have a problem with lead generation. They don't need more leads. They just need to be more efficient at converting the leads into paying clients. And so what does a typical SMMA or social media marketing agency do? Well, they only provide one thing, and that one thing is Facebook ads. So Facebook ads, social media ads, Google ads, etc. So this is the only thing that they do to help you in the sales process. So what an SMMA does is they just do your ads, and after that, you're on your own. Every other part of the sales process, you do it yourselves. They don't help you and you're on your own. And the thing is, your entire sales system is flawed, which is why simply doing Facebook ads for you isn't going to cut it, not in 2025. So quite simply, doing only Facebook ads is just providing a brick, when in reality, you actually need an entire bridge built out for you. A bridge that would bridge the entire gap in the sales process. And I'm about to show you how to build that bridge. So now I'm about to show you how AI fits into each stage of the sales process, starting with lead generation. So in lead generation, AI can amplify all of your current lead generation methods. AI can be used to support your Facebook ads. It can support your cold outreach. And so how does AI support your Facebook ads? Well, AI can actually generate ad copies for you. It can be trained on your data, on competitors' data, on successful winning ads on Facebook, and it can generate a copy for your ads. And it can also help you generate winning ad creatives. And also there's a new thing called AI 100% generated UGCs. So you go to a website like Creatify, or you could use HeyGen or Captions.ai. And there's another one. So there is one called Arcads AI. So these platforms, you are able to clone yourself, or you could use another actor who uploaded their who cloned their avatar and uploaded onto these platforms, and you can generate a 100% generated AI UGC. So it's basically like a person talking to a camera. It could be going like, hey, homeowners of New South Wales, do you want a solar panel? Things like that. So that's what you can do with AI now, and it is pretty amazing. But anyways, so what AI can do for your ads is they can do this. They can generate your copy with ChatGPT or Claude. And how AI can support your cold outreach is you can utilize AI agents for your outreach. So you can use AI agents for lead scraping. enriching the leads. And you could even use AI agents to write your cold emails now. So it can even write your outreach messages. So this is how AI supports your ads and your cold outreach. But AI also adds two more things to lead generation. And that is an AI receptionist. So this is the first one. And the second one is AI lead database reactivation. So an AI receptionist, like the name suggests, it's a reception for your business, but it is entirely AI. So it's an AI voice agent that takes your calls, answers general FAQs, and books in leads into appointments. And it even qualifies leads and nurtures them. So you're bound to have people calling you, expressing their interest and want to book an appointment with you. And well, I understand that you can't be around all the time to take all these calls. Like you could be in an important meeting, you could be talking with a client, or you could be doing your job, and you can't simply just stop what you're doing just to pick up the phone. And well, you don't have to worry about that anymore because the AI receptionist is going to take all your calls for you. So it doesn't matter if you're sleeping, if you're having dinner with your family, or if you have an important meeting, the AI is going to pick up every single call that you have. And even better, it can take multiple calls at once. It's available 24/7. And it never gets tired or frustrated, and it doesn't ask for sick leave or paydays, and it doesn't make excuses no matter what. And so AI receptionist is the best way to capture those inbound leads without having to worry about missing calls or losing leads. So this is a new method that AI introduces to the lead generation and AI lead database reactivation. So if you look at your CRM, you'll have thousands of leads that you would have talked to in the past year or two. So if you check your CRM, you'd have thousands of leads, if not 10,000s, that you have contacted over the past year or two, and they wouldn't have converted. But that doesn't mean they're a dead end. It means this is basically a gold mine of opportunities. So what do? You use AI to call up every single lead that you have to reactivate them, to check if they're still interested, to check if they are willing to make an appointment with you and are keen to go ahead. So an AI will call over 10,000 leads in a matter of days, and then out of those 10K, well, you could get like 1% or 10% that would be interested to book an appointment. So let's just say 1%. So just by calling 10K leads, depending on your offer, you could get around like 1%. So let's just say you get 100 leads booked in. And let's say you convert 10% of them into paying clients. So that means 10 clients. So just by having this database of leads and by using an AI lead database reactivation system, you are able to get 10 clients and just basically generate more revenue. So yep, so that's basically it for lead generation. And this is the magic that AI agents can do for your business. And so that was it for AI for lead generation. And now we'll move on to AI for appointment setting. And this is another major part of the sales process that you can fix with AI. So I'll just quickly go over it. So in appointment setting, well, like I said, you have to reach out to your leads as soon as they express interest in your business. And I know that realistically, that is very difficult, but not anymore with AI. So what do? You deploy an AI sales agent. So what an AI sales agent does is basically whenever a lead expresses interest in your business, whether it's through Facebook ads or just by going onto your website and filling out a form. When you fill out a form, you would get a result saying, "We'll get back to you shortly." Well, that shortly, like how long is shortly? Is it 1 day, 1 hour, 1 week, 1 month? But AI can make that shortly into 1 minute. So when a lead expresses interest, the AI calls them up within 1 minute. It will qualify the lead. It will qualify their lead, gauge their level of interest and suitability for your business and your services. It'll nurture your leads. And this is where all the back and forth communication by email can be done. It can be done entirely on the phone. So this is when you, this is a magnet, but yeah, this is a phone, looks like a magnet, but whatever. But anyways, this is where the sales agent qualifies and nurtures the lead. And when they are interested, well, that's when the AI sales agent can book them into an appointment. This is meant to be a calendar, but whatever. And after that, this is when the AI sales agent can continue with its follow-ups. So they can follow up on the lead on its own, nurture them, educate them about you and your services. So educate, follow up, and they can also send reminders to make sure that the lead actually makes it onto the appointment and that they don't ghost you or waste your time. And by pre-qualifying the leads, that means you are able to reduce the number of time wasters that you get. You'll often have a lot of calls or appointments with people that shouldn't even be there in the first place. They're just there to waste your time, or like window shop, or they're just like not qualified in the first place. But because of the AI sales agent, you'll be able to filter out all the time wasters. So this is where the AI sales agent comes into play in appointment setting. They're able to pre-qualify and nurture leads, educate them, follow up, provide reminders, and finally book them into an appointment. And this is all done without you lifting a finger. So that was it for AI in appointment setting, and now I'll go on to the next parts of the sales process and how AI can help with that. So here we are at sales, and sales, well, this is something that you do it yourself. This is something that you have to do, and yeah, every business should be able to do sales and know how to sell. So you do it yourself, but AI can support you in this way. So remember how the AI sales agent qualified and nurtured your leads? So they qualify and nurture. Well, because of the sales agent, they're able to provide a summary of the lead. So in the summary, you'll know about their pain points, what they want, and they'll even provide recommendations of how you can help them. So you might already know, but AI could provide extra recommendations. And you'll know exactly which service is the best for them. So before you even get on the appointment with them, before you even talk to them for the first time, you'll know everything about them, know how you can help, and this will significantly increase your closing rate. So not only are you getting more leads, but you're also increasing your conversion rate. And this is the magic of AI. And it doesn't just stop here. So this also goes on to AI sales training. So if you're having a Zoom call and you record the Zoom call, so you use a tool called Fathom. And then there are other like meeting recording apps, but I'll just stick to Fathom for now. So Fathom can record your meeting, transcribe it, and then it runs, and the AI sales coach runs through this transcript. And then it can tell you exactly what you did well, it can tell you what you lacked in. And finally, it can provide you feedback on how you can improve for your future sales calls. So yeah, you're getting both a summary and also a sales training thanks to AI. And fulfillment, well, you do it yourself because this is what you signed up to do business for. And yeah, you just, all you have to do now, thanks to AI, is you just have to deliver the best possible service. And you're able to do this because you have more time and energy to invest into service delivery and fulfillment, because you don't have to do any of the boring admin or repetitive tasks. This is all done by AI. So now you can focus your entire energy on fulfillment. But it doesn't just end there. AI can help you with your retention as well. So how does AI help with retention? Well, you deploy an AI customer service rep. And as you know how important customer service really is. And customer service, especially in e-com, can make or break your business. And by having a customer service rep that's available 24/7 and can answer all your client inquiries, you're able to make them happier, increase their satisfaction, and yeah, basically be available for the whole time and make them happy. Because as you know, most companies have shitty customer service. So most companies, their customer service lines, they're all either full, so you have to wait like 40 minutes or an hour or something just to talk to somebody, and you know how frustrating that is. Well, because of AI, you're able to answer all the calls instantly and provide all the immediate help. And if you think about it, well, 80% of all inquiries that you get are just 20% of the questions. So they're more or less the same. Like how long does it take to ship to me? Or this isn't working. How do you fix this? Things like that. Well, AI can answer most of them, but there will be a few inquiries that require human intervention. And in that case, that's where you can step in. And if it can be automated by AI, well, AI can be trained further. So AI can be trained and it can answer questions in a better way, and it's also able to answer new questions that it couldn't in the future. So the AI is always learning and it is always being trained. And also AI is able to identify upsell opportunities and find out further what your client needs are. So your client needs will inevitably change, and AI will be able to identify upsell opportunities. So here is your chance to identify your services that can solve your customers' new needs. So this is basically an upsell opportunity. And the last one is by automating surveying and feedback collection. Well, you know how important Google reviews, feedback, and testimonials are, right? Like, for example, like there is a restaurant in Paris with over 10,000 five-star reviews. Well, that itself is going to sell itself. So like customers are going to see that on Google Maps and they're going to go. So they don't need to spend any money on advertising for customers to come, because they'll come anyways because of the trust that was built up with the five-star reviews. And businesses know how important this is, but unfortunately, they don't spend much time on this because it's often seen as a low leverage task, and they just rely on the goodwill of customers to leave a review. So how does AI play into this, into survey feedback collection? So again, an AI agent will call the clients, the customers, etc., and automate the feedback collection process. So ask questions about the about how the service delivery was, how everything was, and ask for any feedback. So if they weren't satisfied, you can find out exactly what you did wrong. You can identify other gaps in your business or your service, so you can find the gaps, and you can get actionable insights on how you can improve. And you also get reviews that you can put onto your website or to your Google business. And so this is what the AI surveyor can do. And with the gaps and actionable insights that you identify with the AI surveyor, it ties back to fulfillment. So you can identify gaps in your fulfillment that that you can work on and improve. So this is the magic of the AI surveyor. So that was it on how AI can solve your entire sales process with AI. So yeah, I'll just like summarize everything up now. So I'll just clean up my iPad. And so as a conclusion, how does AI help? Well, AI helps with both your ads and cold outreach, and AI helps here as the receptionist and lead database reactivation. And here, AI helps by being your sales agent. So qualify, nurture, follow up, and of course appointment setting. And in sales, training and summary of the lead. And AI in fulfillment, well, you do it yourself, but with AI providing feedback and insights. And retention, well, AI identifies upsell opportunities and other insights. And customer support and feedback collection. So yes, basically this is it. This is how AI can help your entire sales process. It's able to automate up to 90% of your entire sales process. So the only thing that you really need to focus on is sales and fulfillment, which is what you signed up to do business for. And this itself is the AI ecosystem. So by implementing the AI ecosystem, you're able to automate your entire sales process, actually 90% of your sales process, so you can just focus on what you love doing the most. And if you want this implemented into your business, book a discovery call down below. And if you don't believe me, well, I'll show you some results that that businesses have got by implementing AI agents into their business. So the first one is a global hotel chain based out of California, and well, the AI agents, they were able to do all of these functions. So they were able to take on reservation and booking management. Agents were multilingual and provided a personalized guest experience and a voice AI concierge, and also identified upsell and cross-sell opportunities. And so what results did the hotel get? Well, they got a 65% reduction in operational costs, and 80% improvement in efficiency, and 25% in improvement in the conversion rate. So this is what AI agents have provided for a hotel chain. And yeah, as you can see here, response times were cut by 60%. And yep, so that's basically it for the hotel. These are the results that the hotel got by implementing AI agents. And there's another case that I could go on and on, but yeah, I'll just go over one more. So real estate. Automating property inquiries. Well, you know, real estate agents, they'll get a lot of inquiries. They're always on the phone, they're always in meetings, and yeah, they miss too many calls basically. So by automating simple property inquiries, well, agents can now just focus on talking with clients, closing deals. Multilingual support. Well, there's a lot of buyers from foreign countries like China or India, for example. And of course, you need to be available 24/7, but you know, humans physically can't be available 24/7. So yep, 24/7 availability and lead capture, eliminate human error. So AI agents, they were trained to provide consistent and accurate information about properties, and ensure that everything was accurate and up to date. Personalized interactions. So yes, AI agents can be personalized. So basically they'll remember who's calling, and they're able to actually personalize the call entirely to the caller. So yeah, basically it's like talking to a real human, and it even sounds like a real human as well. So most of the time, like, most people don't even realize that it's AI, and when they do realize, they're just surprised, and at most they'll just play a few fun games, and yeah, that's it. It's mostly harmless. And again, upsell and cross-sell opportunities. And what it resulted in, 30% improvement in lead conversion rate, a 60% improvement in agent productivity. So they were able to focus more time on important critical tasks like closing deals, assigning contracts, etc. And a 25% revenue increase from non-English speaking markets. Well, that's because, as I told you, they have a lot of foreign clients who don't speak English that well, and by using AI agents, they're able to unlock this market, and this market is huge. Yep, well, there's law firm, there's a hospital chain, and a moving company. But yeah, that was, I'm not going to go through all of this, but anyways, what you need to do now is you need to start implementing AI into your business. So, well, you could start by leveraging AI to do your ads for you. So you can use ChatGPT and Claude for your ad copies. You can use, you can clone yourself on HeyGen and create AI UGCs, or you can use AI and Canva to create your ad creatives. And if you want to get to the really sophisticated stuff, so the AI agents, what you want is, like I said, receptionist, customer service rep, and sales agent, appointment setter. You just need these three agents implemented into your business to see the gains, the same gains that these businesses have all achieved. So yep, so that's what you need to do now. So that's where the leakage is happening, and now you should be ready to fix it. You should now be looking into leveraging AI to fix this leakage and scale your business without doing more work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and comment what you think of this new video format and any questions you might still have down below. If you want to work with me and you want the AI ecosystem implemented for you, book a discovery call down below. And if you're not sure yet, but you want a personalized one-on-one consulting session on how AI can fit into your business and how it can remove your business bottlenecks, book a consultation down below. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.